Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford. I'm here to share in this video how to go to IRS.GOV and create a secure account for yourself so you can be able to put in your electronic filing provider's application so you can be able to start your own tax business before the 2021 season gets here. So if you type in IRS.GOV, hopefully you're on the laptop or desktop, so you should see this page looks just like this. You want to go to view my accounts, click on that. Then you want to go to create account. And then from here you want to hit create account. They're going to ask you some information and you're going to hit continue. If you got all this information, you know this information, you say yes. If you got one of these things on the financial accounts list, say yes. And then you want to hit continue. Then you want to put in your name and the email address. And then you're going to hit send me a code. You're going to go to the email address. And it's the code they sent you. You're going to take this code and put it in right here. And continue. Now you're going to fill out this form. You're going to give them your date of birth, which is the month, the day, and the year. And then you're going to put in your social. And then it's going to say, have you filed a tax return in the past 7 years? That should be yes. And you're going to go here and you're going to pick your filing status or whatever filing status you got on the return. That's what you're going to use. Then you're going to put your address down. And then from here, you're going to hit continue. The problem is I already got a secure account, so I can't go through all the prompts, but this is to give you an idea of how to do it. And so I gave you enough information. Well, hopefully once you get to the page where you're going to click create account, the rest is self-explanatory for you. So let me know if you had any issues with this, and I'll talk to you later.